Hello friends, welcome to our channel Exam Preparation. In this video, we will solve the social science section of the CTET December 2019 question paper of part 2. So question number 31, which of the following are block mountains? The correct answer is option number 4, Vosges. Next question. Question number 32, statement A, only one side of the moon is visible to us on earth. Statement B, the moon moves around the earth is around 27 days and take exactly the same time to complete one spin. Select the correct option from the given alternatives. So the correct option is option 1. Both A and B are the true statements and B is the correct explanation of the A. Now we go for the next question. Consider the statements A, B, C on the metamorphic rocks and choose the correct answer. A. When igneous and sedimentary rocks are subjected to heat and pressure, they change to metamorphic rocks. B. Metamorphic rocks melt to form molten magma when subjected to great heat and pressure. C. Marble is a metamorphic rock. The correct option is option number 3. A, B, C, all are the correct one. Next question. On entering, which layer of the atmosphere from space do the meteorites burn up? So the correct option is option number 1, mesosphere. Next question. Transhumance is related to, the correct option is option number 1, movement of people. Next question. Consider the statement A and B on permanent winds and choose the correct option. Statement A, this wind blows constantly throughout the year in a particular direction. And the statement B is the westerlies and the easterlies are example of these winds. The correct option is option number 3. Both A and B are true. Next question. Campos in Brazil and lianos in Venezuela are example of, the correct option is option number 3, tropical grasslands. Next question. Consider the statements A and B about climate and choose the correct answer. Statement A is climate refers to the day-to-day changes in the atmosphere. Statement B, climate of a place is affected only by its altitude and relief. The correct option is option number 4. Both A and B are the false statements. Next question. Identify the source of energy from the given features A and B. The statement A said that it is a conventional source of energy, and B, this source of energy is released when crude oil is brought to surface. So the correct option is option number 2. It talks about the natural gas. Next question. India's research station Maitri is located in, so the correct option is option number 2, Antarctica. 41. Which of the following is not true for minerals? The correct option is option number 4. All minerals are non-metallic. Now we see the next question. Next question is of the match of the following. So the correct option of this is option number 3, because A, Narmada Valley is matches with the hunting and the gathering, and Vajji is related to the early republic, and C, Garo Hills is matched with the early agriculture, and the D, Ganga Valley is related to the cities about 2500 years ago, and the option E, which is Indus and its tributaries, it is matched with the first cities. Next question. Below are two statements A and B in the context of contemporary debates on dates and periods of Indian history. The statement A is a periodization like Hindu, Muslim, British is appropriate as the religion of the rulers has been the only important historical change. Statement B, it is problematic to assign precise date and time spans to historical processes that happened over a period of time. So the correct option is option 4, because the statement A is wrong but the statement B is right. Next question. Below are the two statements in context of the new popular Indian art in the 19th century. Statement A, many paintings mocked at the changes they saw around, ridiculing the new taste of those who speak in English and warned against women moving out of their homes. Statement B, images were used to express nationalist ideas and inspire people against British rule. So the correct option is option number 2. Both A and B statement are correct, but B is not the correct interpretation of the statement A. Next question. Which of the following may be considered as a primary source for understanding early humans in India? The correct option is option number 4. Rock paintings of the Madhya Pradesh. Next. Children in pre-British times were taught. The correct option is option number 3. Throughout the year except harvest times when they worked in the fields. Next question. Below are the two statements A and B in the context of emergence of national states in Europe in 18th to 19th century. The statement A is, till the 18th century people in Europe saw themselves as nation states. Statement B, a consciousness was created in the early 19th century among the people that each linguistic community was a separated nation. So the correct option is option number 4, because the statement A is wrong, but statement B is the correct one. Next question. BCE stands for. So the correct option is option number 2, before Common Era. Next question. How do we know today that ostriches were found in India during the Paleolithic period? So the correct option is option number 2, because the large quantities of the ostrich egg shells were found at Patna in Maharashtra. Next question. How did the Harappan civilization come to an end? And the statement A, it appears as if the rulers lost control. Statement B, there could have been deforestation in the area. Option C, there were floods in the entire area of civilization. Or the statement D, the rivers dried up probably. So we have to choose the correct explanation. So the correct explanation is option number 2, A, B and D is the correct statement. Next question. Under the Mahayana Buddhism, the correct option of this question is option number 2, the statues of the Buddha were made. Next question. What is true in the context of administration and the consolidation under the Khiljis and the Tughlaqs? So the correct option is option number 3. It was difficult to control the distant provinces like the Bengal from Delhi. Next question. Which of the following statement is incorrect in the historical reconstruction of tribal people? So the correct option is option number 2. Most tribal groups kept written records. This is the incorrect statement. And next question. How did the British consolidate their control over India after the revolt of 1857? The correct option is option number 1. By transfer of powers to the East India Company to the British Crown for a more responsible management of Indian affairs. And next question. Which of the following not a feature of representative democracy? So the correct option is option number 3. Direct participation of people in decision making. Next question. Which particular region in India is known as the Little Tibet? So the correct option is option number 1, Ladakh. Next question. What is the appellate system in India? So the correct option is option number 4. Provision for appeal to a higher court against the decision of a lower court is the appellate system. Next question. Which of the following is not a feature of peninsular plateau? So the correct option is option number 4. Rivers Mahanadi and Krishna are some of the west flowing rivers in the plateau. Next question. Which of the following statements about Africa is correct? So the correct option is option 2. It is the only continent through which the Tropic of Cancer, Equator and Tropic of Capricorn pass. Next question. The southern part of India, particularly Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, receive rainfall in autumn because the correct option is option number 1, because winds moves back from the mainland to the Bay of Bengal. Next question. What is known as the Costa Rica approach in the area of public health? So the correct option is option number 3. Not having an army to maintain to be able to spend more on public health. Next question. In 1997, the Supreme Court in India formulated the Vaishak guidelines to protect women from sexual harassment. The correct option is option number 2, at workplaces. Next question. Who amongst the following appoints the governor of a state in India? The correct option is option number 3, the central government. Next question. who among the following is not a rural administration officer? So the correct option is option number 2, municipal ward councillor. Next question, what are the D.K. Basu guidelines which were laid down by the Supreme Court of India? The correct option is option number 4, guidelines related to the procedures to be followed by police for arrest, detention and interrogation. Next question, the Forest Rights Act 2006 in its title recognizes the rights of which category? So the correct option is option number 1, scheduled tribes. Next question, an example of secondary source is, the correct option is option number 4, Our Pasts 1, the NCERT textbook in history for class 6. Next question, consider the two statements below. The statement A states that examinations are artificial situations created for the convenience of the system and not for the individual learner. Statement B, a shift in emphasis on testing competencies and away from memory would reduce stress in social science classrooms. So correct option for this question is option number 2, both statements A and B were true. Next question, the main aim of a social science teacher should be, the correct option is option 2, to develop an awareness of connections between all elements that shape society. Next question, the primary purpose of assessment in social sciences, so the correct option is option 4, to give learners feedback and setting standard for them to strive towards. Next question, films can be used as an effective pedagogic tool in the social science classroom because A, films can bring the world into the classroom, B, film inspires us with the power of discovering the unseen and the unheard contexts, C, films bring stories, voices and images that in life may be far removed from us. Statement D, films are objective medium which can encourage learners to frame their views in a singular manner. So choose the correct option. The correct option is the option number 1, A, B and C statements are the correct one. Next question, which of the following statement is correct in context of using map in a classroom? Statement A, map is a socio-political construct. Statement B, from time immemorial, north has always been shown at the top of a map in all socio-political contexts. Statement C, map is a three-dimensional device whereas we live in a two-dimensional world. Statement D, map is an aid to develop a sense of time in learners. So choose the correct option. So the correct option is statement 1, only statement A is the correct one. Next question, in an effort to connect learning with the learner's life, the social science teacher needs to, statement A, intentionally and explicitly includes diverse cultural perspectives in the subject content. B, point out the personal and family backgrounds of the learners in the class. C, give learners opportunity to share their examples and experiences in the class. You have to choose the correct option. The correct option answer is option 2, A and C are the correct statement. Next question, while teaching history, genealogy chart is used to A, represent the growth and development of an empire or a dynasty, B, show sequence and functional relationships, C, provide a chronological framework, D, develop a sense of space in learners. You have to choose the correct option and the correct option is option 1, A, B and C are the correct statement. Next question, what adaptations in the teaching learning process should a social science teacher make while engaging with learners who are visually challenged? A, speak clearly and loudly with appropriate pauses and reiterations. B, use a variety of visually appealing worksheets. C, give verbal clues to create opportunities to imagine. D, introduce tactile materials during classroom discussion. We have to choose the correct option. The correct answer is option 2, A, C and D statement is the correct one. Next question, consider the statements on project method in social science teaching. A, it is inspired by a pragmatic perspective. B, it turns learners into a discoverer. C, it is entirely a teacher-centered method. D, it allows learning through self-directed activity. So the correct option is the statement 3 because the A, B and D are the correct one. Next question, A social science teacher willing to inquire with a constructivist perspective would view the learners as A. Curious to explore on social processes, B. Imaginative on the basis of sources, C. Trying to suggest solutions to problems, D. Postponing discussions on controversial issues for higher education and level. So the correct option is the option 2. A, B and C statement are the correct one. Next question. Which of the following may be helpful towards making social science curriculum more inclusive? A. Engendering the curriculum. B. Uniform instructions and a fixed teaching way in classroom. C. Engaging with different sources, official as well as subaltern context. D. One exam paper fitting all learners. So the correct option is option number 2. A and C statement are the correct one. Next question. Why should students learn to be critical? So the correct option is option 3, to understand how issues are related to their own lives. Next question. Select the example that represents diversity from the following examples. The correct option is option number 4. Paritosh knows good Bangla whereas Suchita speaks Hindi. Next question. A social science excursion trip in a school involved a visit to Zero, Bomdila, Namdappa National Park, Twang and Lesnak village. On which medium could you ask the student to mark the two states they had visited? So the correct option is option number 3, Arunachal Pradesh and Manipur on a map. Next question. Contemporary understanding of social science pedagogy encourages teachers to do all of the following except. Correct option is option number 2. Promoting all learners to give identical answers to questions so that all improve. Next question. The following is not an example of gender stereotyping. The correct option is option number 3. While boys try to monopolize the class discussion, attention is given to both girls and boys to encourage participation. Next question. Effective teaching of social science would require A. Perpetuating all cultural practices of the past, B. Critical analysis of the literary texts whosoever old they may be, C. Discarding all sources which are non-textual, D. Giving primacy to triangulation of the sources. So the correct option is the option number 3, because B and D the statement the correct. Next question. Sensitivity on social justice in a classroom can be encouraged by A. Incorporating contemporary excerpts from people struggling and stories of advocacy during classroom discussions, B. Keeping the understanding of the historical context of the Indian social milieu in the context of unequal power equations, C. Engaging in classroom discussion on the constitutional provision on social justice, D. Prompt corporal punishment on the defaulting children. So the correct option is the option number 2. A, B and C are the correct one. Next question. Pedagogy of history would try to A. Construct history on the basis of the sources, B. Trace continuity and change in the social processes in history, C. History engage with differences in interpretations and accept the dominant community's views, or the D. History view events by situating them within socio-political context of a particular period. So the correct option is the option number 2, because the statement A, B, D are the correct one. Next question. The right to pollution-free air has been recognized as part of which particular fundamental right in India? So the correct option is option number 2, life. Next question. Who coined the phrase unity in diversity to describe India? The correct option is option number 1, Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question. How many members in Lok Sabha are nominated and not elected? So the correct option is option number 3, 2. The last question. In 2006, the form of government in Nepal changed from monarchy to, so the correct option is option 3, democracy. Thank you friends. You can also visit our website for more practice questions. The link of the website is given in the description box. Thank you friends, thank you very much. Please like, comment and share our video.